Hey you guys, Credit Repair Co. is back with another video for you today. So today I'm going to show you guys how we helped boost our client's score an amazing 84 points. We had a client come to us and he needed help with boosting his score so that he could purchase his new home. So when he came to us, he had two negative accounts, as you can see here. Two on his Equifax, the same two appeared on his Experian. So his credit score was pretty good. He had a 753 on Equifax, 725 on TransUnion, and his Experian was a 723. So let me go ahead and show you those negative accounts. As you can see here, the delinquent account on Equifax and Experian. And we were able to help him remove this from his credit report in 30 days. So let me go ahead and show you the results. I'm going to show you his most recent credit report, June 11th, which is today. And as you guys can see, he has 0 negative accounts now. 0 on his Equifax and 0 on his Experian. You have no negative accounts on this file. So now let me go ahead and show you the results. His most recent credit score. So as you can see, the results are amazing. His Equifax is now an 807. So he went up 54 points there. He was at a 753 and went up to 807. His TransUnion is an 802. He was at 725, so he went up 77 points. And his Experian went up an amazing 84 points. He was at a 723. So this just goes to show you guys what a negative account can do to your credit report and how much it can knock down. And at Credit Repair Co., we're here to help you with all of your credit needs, whether you need help purchasing a new home, getting a new car, assistance with funding. We can help you with getting approved for a personal or a business loan. So we're here to help you. We have wonderful results. We have lots of positive client feedback and reviews. So next time you are looking for credit repair help, definitely contact us at creditrepairco.net. Thank you guys, and we'll talk to you soon.